Hi guys, hello everyone! Welcome back to my class. During my today's tutorial I will teach you how to paint lovely floral illustrations in watercolor in Procreate. I prepared for you lots of new custom brushes along with my watercolor brushes and texture paper and 2 color palettes. I hope you are ready. You might grab your iPad for today's painting or just simply use watercolor paper and paints. And guys, I would be very thankful if you could follow me and share your own artworks in project and sources section. So if you are ready, let's get started! Hi guys, I'm Inga, freelance illustrator. Welcome back to my class and let's paint all together cool illustrations with florals in Procreate. We will create 3 different compositions. At the end of my class, you will learn more about Procreate and composition, especially how to use layers, clipping mask, alpha lock, selection tool, and how to add texture, volume, and color variations to your picture. And most importantly, you will learn new painting technique. You can use the illustrations you create for posting on Instagram, add it to your portfolio, or sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, and so on. Or just share it with someone whom you really like. I am sure they will be so happy to get an illustration that is created by you. Today I want to show you that watercolor is so simple and it's a real fun. And in the end of my class you can see it. Today I will teach you how to create texture paper, how to use stem brushes, what is composition, how to paint picture without reference picture, how to use my and default Procreate brushes for watercolor painting, how to apply my new watercolor technique, what are the nuances you need to know if you want to create watercolor illustration, how to use alpha lock and clipping mask, how to add texture to your artwork. I will also show you how to add shades and highlights. I will show you my whole process from the start till finish. And as a bonus, I will share with you my texture paper, lots of custom brushes, watercolor brushes, 2 color palettes that I created. I will also add file of my pictures that I drew. Feel free to use them for your own art projects. This class is great for intermediate level, also can be useful for beginners if you watched my previous classes, and experienced artists. Probably here you can find an inspiration and new ways how to create floral illustration. Your class project will be next. Create a composition with flowers using the tips and brushes that I gave you today. I will use Procreate for this class with iPad and Apple Pencil, so if you have it, or some other drawing pads, or just regular watercolor paper and paints, please join our class and good luck!